Okay, so this is the next part of practice session. Okay, so in last class we were practicing this question. Okay, so tell me which one. Okay, I am giving you option. Okay, extensive, B, intensive. Which one? Tell me which one. Which one? Specific volume is dependent on two extensive properties. Then tell me which one. Which one? I've told you this formula. Intensive is equal to extensive by extensive. Intensive is equal to extensive and by extensive. So specific volume is what? Tell me, specific volume is what? What? Specific volume is dependent on two extensive property. Specific volume is dependent on two extensive property. Okay, so then the answer is intensive. The answer is intensive. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, again an important question in terms of basics, concept building, or in terms of your any competitive exams like junior engineer exams. Okay, in terms of junior engineer exams like state AE, JE, WP, PSC, JE, or SSC, JE, these questions are important for those examinations. Okay, also gate also sometimes gate also asks this basic questions. Okay, in interview board these basics are important. Okay, in interviewers always ask some basic questions. They don't ask any complex type of questions. Okay, they ask basics. Okay, they ask basics, they don't ask complex questions. So you have to focus, you have to focus on basic concepts, otherwise you won't crack it. Okay, you won't crack it, you never will crack it, you never will crack it up, and you will feel jealous of it. So this is life, you have to work on yourself, then only you can be successful. Otherwise there is no easy way of getting success. Okay, okay. So this is another an important question. This is another an important question. You have to give me the answer. You have to. Okay, you have to give me the answer. So tell me which one is the answer. The absolute zero temperature is taken as the absolute zero temperature is that means what? The absolute zero temperature means in which there is no temperature or there is no Kelvin temperature. Okay, in sometimes in 0 degree Celsius there is uh, some value of some value of Kelvin temperature, but if you want to go to absolute zero temperature where the potential energy or the potential energy or the kinetic energy of that material is zero, so there is no real thing that absolute zero temperature the temperature whose temperature is absolute zero, there is no material exists in our universe, but this is a hypothetical concept. Okay, absolute zero temperature, this is a hypothetical concept you have to know for your extra for your knowledge building or for your there's no practical applications of absolute zero temperature in your life. Okay, so which one is the answer? Tell me. Minus 273 degrees Celsius. Okay, yeah, I'm telling you in coming lectures. In coming lectures, I will do another playlist of basic thermodynamics. There will I will go to more deeper. I will go to more deeper. Then I will tell you how this this absolute zero temperature or other concepts. I will go more deeply. Okay, so you don't have to worry. I will go deeply in coming lectures. Okay, so study. So the absolute zero temperature is taken as minus 273 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? First, absolute pressure. Absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure. Gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Absolute pressure is what? Gauge pressure and absolute atmospheric pressure. Okay. Next, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is equal to absolute pressure. Absolute pressure plus absolute pressure plus gauge pressure. Okay, tell me which one is correct? Which of the following is correct? This one or this one? Which one is correct? Okay, the formula of absolute pressure, you have to remember this formula. Okay, gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure is equal to absolute pressure but atmospheric pressure is equal to absolute pressure plus gauge pressure. This is totally wrong. This is totally wrong. This one is correct. The formula of atmospheric pressure will be atmospheric pressure formula will be absolute pressure minus gauge pressure. Okay, absolute pressure minus gauge pressure. Okay, so then this one is correct. So this formula is very important, guys. This formula is very important. You have to remember this formula. Okay, there's lot of applications of this formula in numericals. Okay, when we practice numericals, you will see how important this formula is. Okay, so let's go to the next question. The next question, something different. Okay, this is an unit and units question. Unit and dimension, not unit and dimension. It's a unit type question. You have to know the unit. It's a very easy question. No easy question. You have to answer this. Okay. So this is a very class ninth class questions, like the unit of energy. What is the unit of energy? First, joule. B, the unit of energy in SI units. Okay, joule meter. C, watt. And the D is joule per meter. I hope you all know what's the answer of this question, because it's a fifth class question. Okay, you all know that what's the answer of this question. The simple is joule. So there is one question arise. If this is very easy, you all know, then why I am writing this question on this whiteboard? Why I am giving some importance on this question? Because there is a reason. There is a reason. Because this kind of basic questions will ask GATE, okay, or SSC JEE. They ask these basic questions. You know, I'm telling you. Okay, you will not trust me, but if you open the previous year questions of SSC JEE or GATE, you will see that they asked this question. Okay, so it plays a very important role. This question plays a very important role. You know, this question is actually important for competitive exams. In semester exam, they will not ask this basic question, but in competitive exam, they ask. Okay, so you have to know. If anyone doesn't know this, know the answer of this question, then you have to know. Okay, you have to know. Okay, so the next question is, what is the 1 joule is equal to what? 1 joule means, okay, 1 second. 1 joule is equal to what? Okay, 1 joule is equal to what? First option, 1 Newton into meter. C, 1 kilonewton per meter. 1 kilonewton per meter. 10 Newton per meter. 10 kilonewton into meter per second. Which one is the answer? Okay, you know, if you have studied the units and dimension, then the answer is F M. Okay, force into, oh sorry, okay, what I'm doing, F into air, force into length. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. The unit and dimension is force into length. Okay, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into meter. Then its dimension, is force into length. Okay. Okay. The next one is another important one, but not so much. So I am giving 2 stars for this question. I am giving 2 stars for this question. Okay. So heat and mechanical energies, are mutually convertible. Heat and energy are mutually convertible. Okay. This statement established by whom? Established by the heat and mechanical energies are mutually convertible. The statement is established by whom? First, Boyle. B, Charles. Who? Tell me who? Boyle or Charles? Who given this statement? The heat and mechanical energies are mutually convertible. This statement established by whom? Tell me. This statement is the heat and mechanical energies are mutually convertible. Achha, what is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of this statement is Suppose a boiler machine. A boiler machine is boiling water. Is boiling water. We are putting heat, and the heat is boiling the water. Boiling the water means the water is transforming into gaseous state. The phase of the water is transforming into gaseous state, and that gaseous form of water rotating the turbine. And when the turbine rotates, it is a mechanical work. When the turbine is rotating, it is a mechanical work. So that the Charles given the statement that when that heat and mechanical energies are mutually convertible. Okay, heat and mechanical energies are mutually convertible. Like heat is transforming into mechanical energy. In same case, mechanical energy can transform into heat energy. Okay, suppose we are rubbing our palms. Some kind of heat is generating. Okay, suppose we are rubbing this palm. Okay, when we rubbing this palm, this work is called mechanical work. Okay, and the mechanical work is transforming into what? The heat work. Okay, this mechanical work is transforming into heat work or heat energy. Okay, correct statement is the mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is transforming into heat energy. So this is how the heat can be convertible to mechanical energy, and the mechanical energy also can be convertible to heat energy. So this is the statement of Charles given. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.